Yet another hit and drag case from Delhi where a scooty rider was tracked for about 350 meters after a car rammed into the scooty. The scooty also got stuck in the bumper of the car after the accident. When the PCR patrolling saw the horrific incident, they chased the vehicle and intercepted it. The pillion rider has been hospitalized while the main rider has succumbed to the injuries. The 5 accused tried to escape, but all of them have been arrested. The arrested accused are all students and all of them were in an inebriated state.
नीचे गिरे थे, उनको भी हॉस्पिटल शिफ्ट कर दिया गया है, उनका ट्रीटमेंट चल रहा है। इसमें 5 लोगों को अरेस्ट कर लिया गया है। बाद में इंटेरोगेशन के दौरान इन 2 लोगों से जिनको मौके पे पकड़ा गया था, उनके इंस्टेंस पे बाकी 3 लोगों को भी फर्दर अरेस्ट कर लिया गया है। ये सभी गाड़ी में बैठे हुए थे और अपेरेंटली नशे के हालत में थे। ये सभी स्टूडेंट्स हैं, अभी रिसेंटली 12th पास करके कोई ग्रेजुएशन और बीटेक की स्टडीज़ फर्दर परस्यू कर रहे थे। इस मामले में एक मुकदमा दर्ज किया है 304, 304A, 338, 279, 34 IPC और साथ में दिल्ली मोटर व्हीकल रूल्स और MV एक्ट के अंदर की धाराएं भी इसमें अप्लाई करी गई हैं। 5 लोगों को गिरफ्तार कर लिया गया है। फर्दर इन्वेस्टिगेशन जारी है। इन्वेस्टिगेशन के दौरान ये भी पता पड़ा कि इन्होंने अपनी नंबर प्लेट को भी डिस्टॉर्ट कर रखा था। आगे की नंबर प्लेट को हटा दिया था और जो पीछे की नंबर प्लेट थी उसका भी नंबर्स को कवर कर रखा था।
My colleague Ishika is patched with us. Ishika, yet another hit and drag horror case is coming from Delhi, and it is indeed a tragic morning today. And the scooty driver has been dragged for about 350 meters, and we're getting to know that all the students that were in the car have been arrested, and all of them were under the influence of alcohol. And one of the riders has passed away by succumbing to the injuries that were caused after the accident, and one is in critical condition in the hospital. So what is the latest that we have on this case, and what is the latest ground report on the same? Over to you.
Well, yes, what we are seeing now, that another hit and run case that is being now reported from Delhi, where two people on the scooty were in fact dragged by a vehicle, by car riders, in fact, for over 300 meters. Now, what the FIR was in fact launched in the Keshav Puram police station, where the DCP North West has now said that 5 people who were present in the vehicle, they were under the influence of the alcohol. And the good thing right now is that all of them have been arrested. Certain sections have been filed, against them. And now, if we talk about the victims there, one of the victims unfortunately passed away, but the other is in a critical condition and right now is admitted to a nearby hospital. So the police is saying that not just, the Section 304, but also under the Motor Vehicle Act, the case has been registered against those who are present in the vehicle. But clearly, what we are seeing here, that irresponsibility of the students, being under the influence of, alcohol, and yet another hit and drag case coming from Delhi. Because if you remember in the Kanjhawala case as well, the victims, the accused went on to say that they were, under the influence of alcohol. So, over here, what we are seeing, that the road safety, the people not taking responsibility for road safety, has resulted in, so much of, irresponsibility, and then so many cases of hit and drag, being reported here from Delhi. Over to you.
Ishika, also the fact that the road safety norms are not being followed, and also the fact that all these students were just 12th passed and some of them might be minor and under the influence of alcohol. And this case has happened, which again is going down in history as one of the hit and drag horrors that have happened coming from Delhi. So what is the latest on-ground report and in the investigations that are happening, and what does the police have to say if we have a statement from them? Over to you.
Well, yes, certainly as you raise the point of the road safety, clearly, what we are seeing here that the road safety rules are not being followed clearly because, as the, DCP North West clearly said that all of these were students who were just 12 pass and in fact, doing their engineering. So, you can very clearly picture, that they were definitely not following the rules here. And also the question will now be raised on, the police and the traffic police that are deployed in the very area that where were they when such a kind of incident happened, because if such violators of the traffic rules were stopped at a time, such an accident would not have happened. So now what the DCP Northwest is saying that clearly right now they are in fact taking appropriate action as of now. All the five people who were present in the car, all of them were students and all of them have been arrested. And as of now, if we talk about the victims, one unfortunately passed away, but the other has been admitted to the hospital. Right now, his condition is also being told as critical. So what we are seeing here that clearly the question here will be raised at the police and the traffic police that, that why were these violators of, road safety not stopped at, at the time. So such an accident would have been prevented. Over to you.
Thank you for bringing us all the information, Nishika. Now